creating taglines for personal branding.
But first, let's hit it. Hi, it's Alan Vitor. Welcome to our Tagline podcast.
And if this is your first time in our channel, we are Elephant Herd, part of the Wolf Pack in eXp Realty. And make sure you subscribe in our podcast and YouTube channel
To get notified. Now, part of the Elephant Herd, which is part of the Wolf Pack at EXP, which means our upline is Mike Sherrard. One of the reasons we joined EXP was because we wanted to have this upline to us. So we have Mike Sherrard, we have Connor Steinbrook, and if you join us in the Elephant Herd, we get all of the Wolf Pack stuff as well. Also, you get us, right? So that's amazing. You get our books, you get our course for free, and you get us. You can communicate with us all the time. Now, with that, let's hit it.
Exactly. The next thing that we wanted to talk about really is tagline, because the personal branding is the most valuable asset to you, that which set you apart from the rest of the competition, those that they are in the market, and you wanted to attract more new clients in basically into your network that you can help them.
And now on these basic 6 online personas that are just so prevalent out there into the world, and we're just researching it and just showing it to you, is basically how to brand it as a real estate agent and brand it to you. So if you have just said that you're an authority figure is someone who talks about their experience, their knowledge, they have all of these awards, this isn't just who you are because you're someone that everybody should listen to. Your tagline is going to reflect that. And of course you can use all of your chat GDP stuff, but you should really use it and focus it in on the branding type that you are. So if you're this type, you're going to say something like, want to give me the choices?
The first thing is the authority, that shows you that if you have lots of awards, lots of achievement.
Basically, you're going to say experience, expertise, results. I'm going to let my husband do the next one. Trust and authority in real estate matters. Or you're going to say something like experience matters. Choose the authority in real estate, right? You're going to say something like that.
Yes.
Now, I'll let you talk a little about adventure.
Yes, adventure. Basically, you wanted to show that you discovering unique properties in the market, and which can be good fit to way that you want it to be presented. And the examples that we can use here is discover your dream home with adventurous real estate agent, or basically explore new possibilities with an adventurous real estate agent.
With you, of course, the adventurous real estate agent. So these are just a few choices for you. Number 3, creative type. You have this creative streak inside of you. I clearly do. But you want to, I don't know if I necessarily use that as my real estate branding, but you're definitely using it to showcase all those properties, and you need to show that in your tagline as well to represent who you are. So something like this: find inspiration in every listing with me, Victoria, or whoever you are. Or another one for a tagline, just a creative twist on real estate, choosing me, the creative agent. There's something that shows you that you are going to pull it apart and make it be something beautiful, something ugly, and turn it into gorgeous.
Exactly. The next one, connector, those that have a strong relationship with the clients, with the colleagues, and this might be you, that in this way you can use some taglines like this, connecting you with the perfect home as a real estate agent. And the next, or relationship matters. Trust a connector real estate agent to find your dream home.
Right. So these are just a few options. We're just throwing them out there as well. Another one, visionary. This is someone who is clear and inspiring. Your Steve Jobs, real estate, talking about the future. Your tagline has to show that is who you are. So something like looking to the future, trust me to help you succeed, or innovative solutions to changing markets. Choose me as your real estate agent, a visionary. Something of that sort, to where you're really out there showing what you are. The last one.
The next one is the disruptor, a person that is not afraid to challenge the traditional way and push the boundaries. And the taglines that really you can use here as an example: revolutionizing real estate, choose a disruptor real estate agent, which is you. Expect unexpected. Trust a disruptor real estate agent. Again, to change the game.
Okay, remember your tagline is an important part of your brand, but it is only one piece of the puzzle, and it is something that definitely people see, and it's visual just as much as the picture is. So it has to be on brand. The message has to be on brand. Don't be afraid to change your taglines as your business evolves and changes. So if you have gone from like a solo agent to a team leader to having your own company, of course your brand changes every time.
Exactly.
And sometimes brands just get old and outdated as well. So if your brand has gotten old and outdated, it's time to change it.
Exactly. And I hope you found that very useful. And don't forget to contact us this number and subscribe in YouTube and podcasts.
Absolutely.